Hi there, students. Syntax. Okay, what is syntax? Well, syntax is the grammatical arrangement of words. It's how we put sentences together. It's the word order. It's getting the right bits in the right place. It's the way we put the different linguistic elements together to make phrases and clauses. Syntax. So it's how to put phrases and sentences together, and how to do it correctly. So for example, in a positive statement, normally we have subject, verb, object. But the fact that we are using a correct syntax or correct syntax does not mean that your sentence is actually going to make sense. So the donkey tweeted recreationally. It doesn't make sense. Okay, so there are more things to making sense than syntax, but syntax is very important. It's the rules that govern how words are combined to make phrases, to make sentences as well. Let's see, in computers the syntax is important as well. If you want a computer program to work, you need to use the correct syntax, because if you don't use the correct syntax, then it won't be understood. Okay, so the syntax is the way. For example, if you want to enter a date, maybe day, day, month, month, year, year, year. So 2 days for the date, but does the date or the month come first? Two numbers for the month and 4 numbers for the year. And if you don't use the correct syntax, the machine does not actually understand. You might also find a joke plural for syntax, syntheses, as in matrices, but no, syntaxes is the plural. Okay, so syntax, it's the way you put language together. It's the structural elements in a language. It's the accepted way of joining the different words and phrases to create well-formed sentences in a language. And grammar or grammar classes are to teach you correct syntax. So it's the orderly system to arrange things so that your sentences make sense. They're something that are at least valid. It's the system of rules governing the arrangement of language and how you put things together. So syntax, the arrangement, it's the relationship between words, phrases, clauses, sentences. This is the structure of the language, but then you also need the vocabulary and many other things as well to speak a language or to make correct statements or correct sentences. It's the rules of doing it, but then you need to choose the right words within those rules. Okay, syntax, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes to English through Latin from ancient Greek, syntaxis, sun together, and taxis arrangement, tasso, I arrange. So how things are arranged together, the rules of how you put the different bits together. Okay, so syntax. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Syntax.